Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the BMW Group press conference. 女士们、先生们、各位媒体，欢迎各位光临宝马集团的新闻发布会。
I'm now delighted to celebrate the China premiere of the all-new BMW X3, produced locally in China, which now becomes the 6th model built by BMW Brilliance in Shenyang. It is the most athletic and innovative model in its segment, featuring powerful and emotional design elements. The impressive interior is focusing on both luxurious space and high-end connectivity. The all-new X3 is truly an authentic BMW, produced in China for China. And the exciting news is that we are starting to take orders as of tomorrow.
We feel very much at home here as we share a common approach. In China, people think and act on the long term. It's the perfect place for future mobility. That's what the BMW Group stands for. China is clearly leading in e-mobility. That's why I brought this world premiere to Beijing. The iX3 will be the first all-electric BMW core model, and it will go into production in 2020. It will be produced in China, our strategic game changer. iNext combines all important technologies. Emotional design that makes our company and all our brands future-proof.
China is a growing success story for us. Last year, we sold more Minis in China than ever before. Over 35,000 in fact. This year, we will be launching our revised models. They feature fresh design elements, new transmissions, and the latest digital services. The 5-door model next to me here is just one example of the new lineup. All new features will also be available for the 3-door and the Mini convertible. And Mini is more than just cars. I'm delighted that we are realizing a major non-automotive Mini project in China, Mini Living. In spring 2019, we will open the first co-living initiative made up of apartments, working spaces, cultural as well as leisure offerings, and of course, mobility. And we are currently exploring further cities here in China. Thanks to our customers, BMW Motorrad is the undisputed leader in the Chinese premium motorcycle segment, a segment which we created. We will continue to extend our leading position with products like this. The BMW K1600 Gran America is super luxury on 2 wheels. Equipped with a latest 6-cylinder engine, it is built to cruise endless highways and explore new horizons.
I'm delighted to present the all-new BMW M2 competition to you, the ultimate compact high-performance sports car. With an even more powerful engine, it offers an unbeatable driving experience in its class. BMW M is all about acceleration. Just drive one of our M cars and you will immediately understand why 2017 was once again a record year for BMW M. Worldwide sales exceeded 80,000 cars for the first time ever. And in China, BMW M achieved a 37% increase in sales. And there is much more to come, as the BMW Group will offer 25 electrified vehicles by 2025. And this underlines our passion to shape the future of mobility, what we call visionary mobility. And that's just one reason why customers in China consider BMW to be the most attractive and innovative premium auto brand. That makes us very proud, and you can be sure that we will continue to do everything to maintain that very strong appeal.